Sucks. Hey, good girl. Yeah. Go play. There you go. Go find a doggy to play with. Yeah. See? Oh, there she goes. She's trying hard to make friends.
Is she pretty timid?
Yeah, she's a foster. We just got her Saturday. Come on. There you go. Go play. Good girl. So then I send this over to the rescue coordinator and she'll edit it and put it on Pet Finder. There you go.
Parker?
Good girls.